Find the smallest root of equation x cube minus 5x plus 1 by bisection method. Here given f of x is equals to x cube minus 5x plus 1. I have taken the first value of x is equals to 0. I have substituted this. We got the positive value 1. And again I have taken the value of x is equals to 1. I have substituted in the place of x. I got minus 3, which is negative. So therefore the root lies in between 0 and 1. Now initial approximation can be calculated as I will take the value as x0, which is a plus b by 2. Here one positive a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. Okay, the one positive value and one negative value. Okay, and one negative value. X0 is equals to 0 plus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2, 0.5. From this I will calculate f of x0. In the place of x I will substitute the value of x0 cube minus 5 into 0.5 plus 1, which is equals to 0.125 minus 2.5 plus 1, which is equals to minus 1.375, which is again less than 0. We got the negative point. So now we will take this as a negative, and we got the negative f of x0 as negative. Now we will take this value, negative value, and positive value. One positive value means here the value of x0, and what is a positive value here? A is equals to 0. So a, the root lies in between x0 and a. We have to take one positive and one negative value to calculate the next approximation. So we got the value of x0 as negative, so I have taken the positive value, which is a. Now the next second approximation, which is x1, which is equals to x0 plus a by 2. What is the value of x0 here? 0.5. 0.5 plus 0 by 2, 0.25. Okay, now I will calculate f of x1, which is equals to 0.25 whole cube minus 5 into 0.25 plus 1, which is equals to 0.015625 minus 1.25 plus 1, minus 0.2343. Again I got the value negative. So again first we have here we have the negative value, here also we have negative value. So we will take this with negative value. So therefore the root lies between x1 and what is a positive value here? Here it is negative, here it is negative. We have only one positive, that is this one. Here x is equals to 0 means a. Okay, and a. Now the third approximation will become x2, which is equals to x1 plus a by 2, which is equals to 0.25 plus 0 by 2, which is 0.125. Again I will calculate f of x2, which is 0.125 whole cube minus 5 into 0.125 plus 1, which is equals to 0.001953 minus 0.625 plus 1, which is equals to 0.37695. Here we got the value as positive value. Now here we want one positive and one negative, right? I got x2 as a positive. Okay, x2 value as positive. And what is the negative, immediate negative value for this is x1. Okay, x1 is negative. So Therefore, the root lies between x1 and x2. We will take the immediate values. Okay, if we, when we will calculate in terms of f of x2, when it will get the positive or negative value, that depends on the next problem what we will take the x value. So we will not take the values of x directly, we will calculate in terms of f. Then regarding the results, if it is negative or if it is positive, then only we can proceed with the x value. Okay, now I got this as a positive value, so immediate negative value, my immediate negative value is x1. So the root lies in between x1 and x2. Now fourth approximation, which is x3, which is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x1 value here? 0.25, right? 0.25. What is x2 value? 0.125 by 2, right? Yep. Fourth approximation, x3 is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, 0.25 plus 0.125 by 2, which is 0.1875. And now we have to calculate f of x3, which is equals to 0.1875 whole cube minus 5 into 0.1875 plus 1, which is equals to 0.0065917 minus 0.9375 plus 1, which is equals to 0.06909, which is greater than 0. It means we got the positive value. We got this value as positive value. The immediate negative value is x3. We will take the value x3, which is a positive one. What is the immediate negative value here? It is x1, right? x2 is also positive one. x1 is negative. So the immediate negative is x2. So therefore the root lies in between x1 and x3. x4 is equals to x1 plus x3 by 2, which is equals to 0.25 plus 0.1875 by 2, which is equals to 0.21875. Now substitute this x4 in f of x value, which is equals to 0.21875 whole cube minus 5 into 0.21875 plus 1, which is equals to 0.0104603 minus 1.09375 plus 1, which is equal to minus 0.08328. We got the negative value. Okay, now let us take for next one. The root lies in between x4. We got x4 as negative value. What is the immediate positive value here? We have the negative value already. Now what is a positive value here? F of x3 is positive, so we will take the value of x3 here for next iteration. Okay, therefore which is positive, right? The root lies in between x3 and x4. x5 is equals to x3 plus x4 by 2, which is equals to 0.1875 plus 0.21875 by 2, which is equals to 0.20313. Okay, now calculate the value of f of x5, which is equals to 0.20313 whole cube minus 5 into 0.20313 plus 1, which is equals to 0.0083815 minus 1.01565 plus 1, which is equals to minus 0.00727, which is negative value. Now x5 is also negative value, f of x5. So we will take this the negative value, and what is the immediate positive value here? x3, right? x3. F of x5 we got a negative value, f of x3 we got positive value. Okay, same here. So therefore the root lies in between x3 and x5. Okay, now what is the value of x6 here? x3 plus x5 by 2, which is equals to 0.1875 plus 0.20313 by 2. x6 is equals to 0.19532. Now calculate the value of f of x6. We'll get it as 0.19532 whole cube minus 5 into 0.19532 plus 1, which is equals to 0.0074514 minus 0.9766 plus 1, which is equals to 0.03085, which is a positive value. Here we got f of x6 as positive value. What is the immediate negative value here? F of x5, right? F of x5, which is a negative value. Till how many times we will do this, all the value of x, we will get the approximation. When we will get the x value in the same manner, we will just stop there. Now what is the f of, here we got next one is x7. Here the root lies between x5 and x6. x7 is equals to x5 plus x6 by 6, which is equals to 0.20313 plus 0.19532 by 2. x7 is equals to 0.19923. Here when we observe the values, x5, f of x5 we got it as 20313. Here for x6 we got a 0.195, and here for x7 we got 199, means the decimal term here 0.19 and 0.19 we got the same answer. Therefore x6 and x7 we got the values as 0.19. Therefore the smallest root is x is equals to 0.19 is the answer. When we will get